there guys, what's up? It's Daman from Daman.s DCS right here. It's another pleasant weekend and I hope you guys are doing fine. Alright, over here in today's video, it's a new one. It's the paint job guys of the 67 Ford Mustang. As I mentioned earlier, like this car was the clown car, the clown Ford Mustang with its different colors and stuff. So I'm gonna give it a brand new look in this video guys. So before we get into the paint process, I want to talk about the last week's video. Last week's video was the Dodge Little Red Express truck. If you haven't watched that, check that out. And also if you haven't watched the information video of the the Ford Mustang right here in the Hot Wheels series, check that out too. It'll be popping up in the screen right now. Alright guys, so sorry guys, I can't keep the quick quiz this time. Extremely sorry. It'll be coming up in the next week's video. Well, stay tuned for that. And yeah, let's just start dismantling this car. First, we gotta remove the chassis off its body, and let's just take a look at the body before we get started with the paint. So let's go for it, guys. Oh, and I forgot to mention one more thing, guys. If you want to see your car come up in my video, just send the image of your Hot Wheel with your name below to my Gmail. It's dcsdamancarshows@gmail.com, and I'll mention your car in the next week's video, guys. So, alright, let's start dismantling this car. Alright guys, so now the car is completely dismantled and I'm not gonna do anything with the chassis or the interior of the car, but I'm gonna change the color of the wheels guys, because the wheels are also cartoonic. So I'm just gonna completely black them out. I'm gonna paint them black, and the body of the car of the Mustang will be white in color. So yeah, that's what the colors which I have chosen guys. So yeah, let's start off with the wheels at first. Alright guys, so now it's time to spray paint the wheels. So let's get on with it.
Taste you again like a secret or a sin. Wanna feel you again like the ocean sand on my skin. I'll be the fight against your fears, forever here to save those tears.
Alright guys, so here it has almost been done. Yeah, so here it's done. Okay guys, so since the wheels are set to dry, it's time to paint the body. So I've selected the white color guys, so let's spray paint. Alright guys, so now it's almost done. I have to just cover up some of the details over there at the end. It's looking pretty cool guys. Alright guys, so now it is done. It's finished. So yeah, it's time to let it dry, So yeah guys, after almost 3 hours of drying, the wheels actually dried up pretty quicker than I had expected them to, and now they look a lot bolder compared to its previous form, the green and pink. Now it looks quite realistic. And talking about the Mustang's body, yeah, it's quite cool now because it's a lot plain and it looks more like a factory fresh type. And yeah, I know it's a lot simple, but still, it's way better than the custom colors it had, So yeah guys, do comment your opinion on this Mustang in the comment box. I'll check them out. And before we get to the assembly, we gotta detail this car a little bit, you know, a little bit of detail. So yeah, let's just go for it. Finally, the paint is dried, the detailings are done, and the car is assembled, guys. This is the new look of the '69 Ford Mustang. It has turned out to be really amazing, guys. Like, even though the you know, the lines on this car aren't so deep enough, like the body lines aren't so deep, so the paint is taking its own time to set in, but still, I really love this color, guys. I don't know about you all, but I really like the color on this car. It's looking way cooler than before. I know its fancy colors were kind of attractive, but still, this simple look suits it. I really like it now more than before. Let's take a look at it before, guys. Yes, this was the image of it before. Whoa, too fancy. And now, guys, look at it now. It is quite simple, but still, it has its coolness. Yeah. So, yeah, guys, the wheels are also amazing. Like, I haven't noticed that till now, but yeah, the wheels look way cool on this car too. So, yeah, guys, there it is, the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and share all your friends and family. I'll see you all next week, guys. Stay tuned till then. Also, stay home, stay safe. Bye-bye now.